So this is $15,000 here for you from Lizzie from Brockley, London. Hello. We shall overcome.
And hello. I am one of them. Thanks to meet you. I am Sister Janet.
Hello, sister.
Hi.
We shall overcome.
Yes.
Take it up. Yeah. So thank you. So come here. So thank you, Mary.
Thank you, Mary.
All right.
So if you can get something less than nothing, I can't fit on.
Say, $28,000 from Paddy Watt from the USA to help out with the situation. So count it first. So it's 28. Hit them on 1 point to catch.
Done, we're done. Come on, run. Press it out.
See, say that.
Left them out.
You done with them?
Yeah.
You done with them?
I mean, we're trying to bother put back.
No, he's only joking. You're not done with them.
One Jamaica, man.
One trench town. Boy.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know the thing goes with here and we're not faker. You know, so blessed love to all. Guys, as you can see from the title, you know, it is that time. It's Kino time. I know once it's Kino time, guys. So yes, so I'm gonna make a quick flick. Well, not. I'm gonna make a little, quick flick. Not quick as flick as the bump and your flick. No, but I'm gonna make a trip, do some time, and then come back, rejuvenate, and come back fresh and ready, get some fresh air, and get some fresh air. And I know how fresh it is, or how cool it is, but it's gonna be some nice fresh air, guys. Yes, man, says that time. I really needed it, I remember I told you once I finish off Barbershop project, I was gonna take a time off and then come back fresh, so that's why I say I've been putting in so many works, try to get everything done, most things done, that I can do. So I'm also gonna go see Cranberry them, give them some donation and give them some stuff that is here for them as well too, and then give out what I can give out, guys. So it is that time, stay tuned, when we keep you on my journey, and then you're gonna see what is going on and where I'm gonna be, so guys, so once you see where I'm gonna be there, so how the thing goes already. But I'm coming to a theater near you, so anywhere you are, I'm coming at your foot, anywhere at all, I will be at your foot, guys. So the thing goes already. So yes, well, I've been waiting for this time, and this time has arrived. Give thanks. I will thank the Almighty. We thank each and every day, for the health and strength. But I also need to build up my courage, get my wellness, my well-being, stable, So this is why I'm making this trip, take some time off and come back fresh, So guys, if you say I deserve it, I deserve it, putting a lot of work. So I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna head up to Mama River, make sure I attend them. Got some more stuff to give out within today and tomorrow, So the workload is piling up, So I make sure I do as much I can do while I'm here, So that is it for today, guys. So I'm gonna head, I just let the hairstylist, say a barber for go places to go. So guys, so if you reach this far and you like the video, remember please to put the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. Please to put the thumbs up when you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. We here, we no faker, Kaubana Jamaica. Esther, get boom.
That's two different numbers.
Yeah. Oh, chef, shout him to me. Yeah. Alright, yeah, alright. So we have Esther. So we have Esther going to eat the road and thing. Esther, what go on? Cause them bills you're doing the YouTube from the other day.
Oh no, I'm not going there, man. Let's take a little break, you know?
Oh, so Esther been taking her break a long time, you know. So if Esther is taking her break, why not me too? And we have the only chicken thief in Trenchtown. Thief the most chicken. That Mr. Anson said. Salpe! What go on? Go and patrol the street.
Yeah.
Yeah, go and patrol. Okay. Then we go there and make a flick, we drop off some things and come back. You know how the thing goes already. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Youth. Yeah.
Sit down there, sir.
Alright. I'm gonna delete the next number with my arm.
Oh.
I'm the right one now.
Where's that?
Well, go up Mama River, go drop off some stuff and come back. Mama River.
Oh.
You can't manage a crossing there.
No.
You can't manage a... My friend, best friend. This is my best friend. Hey guys, this is my best friend. Say hello. Hello, this is my best friend. Okay, tell them your name. Her name is Camilla, and she is my best friend. When you see her, you say Kino best friend, right? Tell them bye. Say Merry Christmas. Okay, so this is my best friend, guys, right? My best friend. Alright, this is Skylar. What was Skylar? Alright, then later, okay? That is my best friend. You come here if you don't go. You far wow?
Yeah, man.
Oh, where is your boom there? Okay. Hi, best friend.
What's your right plan?
High five. Good?
Mommy.
Hey, mommy.
You can't get up.
You want to quit up?
No, make him stay under punishment.
Why?
Watch him out, watch him.
Come. Jump down, jump.
Watch your mama come with a big stone.
Mama, put on the stone. Where are the stone?
Mama, don't run with mine.
It on wire boat already? Look at the big stone, this little girl. Mama, I wish I could lick with that.
So now if he belt,
My baby, she want it.
Eh?
him with it and she go feast. I stone flick him with it. Alright, give me. Sure.
Mama, wire boat. Mama go for big stone.
Man, now.
Ready? I go up a river. I got Auntie Jean first and then go to the river. Come in. Alright guys, so you know you guys are going to head out. So we got some stuff. We're going to meet Auntie Jean, you know, the overcomers is here, you know, so they brought some stuff also for the Cranberry family, you know, so I'm going to pick that up, you know, and then head to them. You know, so that's going to be the journey right now, you know, so that is it. Come here, I come. Eh? Right there ready for video. Right there for cheese. Right is for cheese, you know the man.
Right there ready for video. That is for cheese.
That is for cheese. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, go on. Pull it. That is for cheese.
Can't go and stay, man. Right,
go on.
that's why I know some Ghana work, you know. I don't care what.
Oh, we don't so.
Community, them just gonna do them and do the right thing.
Of course.
Sure, me do the right thing each and every day. I mean, never.
Eh?
Listen,
No. Uncle, what go on?
there, man. Just I come from the
The money bag. What's what go on in the money bag now? What's what go on in the money bag?
I love you, buddy.
Alright. Let's tap up the screen. We shall overcome.
Oh, and
Hello.
I am one of them. Thanks to meet you. I am Sister Janet.
Hello, sister.
Hi.
We shall overcome.
Yes. Big up, big up, big up. Yes.
Nice meeting you, Janet. Nice meeting you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Got the overcomers.
Of
Yes.
course.
Finally. Yes.
Finally.
Come in.
So we have the things that we have for the Cranberry family.
Yeah.
So run go up the river now. Yeah.
I'll take a swim down, Kino.
Eh? No. Kiss them. Yeah.
I look in that cranberry and
And Toco Loco. So the names on the bags?
Yes, the age.
No, the age.
One more, she coming with it.
This one is who? Oh,
So,
no, there's not another. Oh, this one is just probably. Oh, shall I look back to this one? Yes, you have to get her back too.
okay.
Look at them and you will see the age on them.
5 years.
Right. And this is the big lady.
Oh, the mother.
Mother. Not the mother.
Baja, Cranberry.
Cranberry.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, put them in this. Put,
Everybody's a light box.
oh, yeah. Angie.
Hello.
Why you fly out leave me? We can't come to me for Christmas dinner.
Yeah. That bag as well
Social
too?
media. Yeah, I put something in there.
Okay. So this is Cranberry. And with the Cranberry.
Oh, chef, every time. Oh, you look so handsome today. You fly out.
Come in, Roger.
Take you ready for fly out. Look, you have your fly out.
So go check it out for me now, man. Why? Might as well we adapt here.
Oh, Raja. One more adopted. Uncle Rat. That's Uncle Rat there, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you never so bad.
Me not even get enough because me come in last time I'm tired, you know. Me never even go with them and they force me come and tell them about bed me go. And then say go bed man I come and sleep with them. I'm ready for bed.
Auntie Jean.
Yes, we try.
This is for the,
Which one are
This
they?
is the baby.
the baby, right?
Yes.
Also not age left on this one.
Yeah,
We
the
just get the
missing age.
bag.
First child, 5 years old. Just forget it.
She the baby.
I don't want,
Look on the
and
shoes.
then-
Yeah, first.
I don't want when I get nothing.
Which one?
Eh?
Which one never get?
Because we gave out the place, that's why we have the grill.
But these are the four of them.
Yes, the four of them.
is.
Tina,
Uh-huh.
okay, my probably won't see you before.
Tina, you ever talk to
We
me
see each
though?
other.
Yeah.
Me you have to talk.
Alright, then you're darling. Take care. We shall overcome.
Yes.
Every time, every time. All right.
Baja, look a bit. Alright. Resort. She's not baby anymore. She's grandma. Resort granny.
Who's your baby?
You're not watching the program?
No, Granny.
You're not watching the program?
You're not hearing that anymore.
Eh?
Your grandma like me?
Wait there. Auntie, you're not watching the program anymore.
Hey, you come off a girl shelf.
Long time. She left on it.
Oh, yeah, Aunt Granny.
For the mega shelf.
Granny now, Kina.
Aunt Granny. Resort Granny. Resort Grandma.
So how she not tell me that?
You know tell her? Oh Lord.
Is that right? Is that honor?
No, we shall overcome.
Yes,
Is that honor? Is that
We shall overcome.
You're not supposed to know before
You might have to watch the program to see her auntie now watch.
Yeah, because we're supposed to know before me, because I remember saying I was working.
Well, that, well, I wasn't in that bedroom.
What you say? You ain't the daddy?
I wasn't in the bedroom.
I was at Oxford that time.
Yeah.
Lord, Andrew, so
Then,
one.
I got roll the phone in because I got to
Ah, big man this. You did.
Like it, daddy.
Yeah.
Structure just
I
like
wish we could have gone for the river and put my foot in the water, but
Don't it?
same as how Esther can't go across, me couldn't go across.
Can't
What
cross it.
a woman covered to put her foot in the
Yeah, I
water.
tell you.
And then they could jump in. That is as whole as me, me can't jump.
What's your name? Tokoloko.
Tokoloko.
Used to jump the river.
Tokoloko fly like one bird.
Yeah, one little baby girl, so.
And then Kina in that time, he like he just right.
Of course, come to the little girl and jump. And I'm like, wait there. Come frightened, you know, because I don't think she can jump from so far. You know, like in spider, they jump from what?
So Kina, when am I going to do it the bed?
Well, I'm going to lead it up. I go so I go, but I'm going to lead it up to when time I do an extension. Because I'm going to do an extension for that.
you have to watch it.
You know, so hopefully when time them start and we can go up and give them all one day for the time as well, you know. So that's that good. We can pass through and give them a one day in the new year.
Big foot, they drop around for.
I'm going to need it up back, man.
Oh, well, probably they put up the new bedders in the gun and I work that one till the other one.
No more babies, you know. We don't get them the new bed.
Yeah, man, I tell them, man, no more babies.
They're not going to try for the boy.
The struggle is real already.
It's
For go take
real.
anymore. You know? The
And then the
madness.
help, sometimes it's temporary, you know.
Yeah,
Exactly.
true. So true.
Sometimes, you know. Sometimes coffee, sometimes
Tea. We always say that, right? Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Yeah. Whoa. Come through now. Cause I know we don't want to get too dark. Alright, then come through. Uncle Rat. Alright guys, so alright guys, so we just pick up the stuff them, you know, for the kids them. 4 bags. Boom in that. Get. Set them now.
You know, she's like a piece over there already.
Now come in Monday. You need to block them Monday, you know.
Take out those clip out of the mountain, brother. You can pull weed. Hey? Put on the weed, Ratty. Put on the weed, brother. Come in home. Alright guys, so just reach up by Mama River. You know, so we have some stuff here from the overcomers. As you can see, I just met the overcomers. You know, because them say we shall overcome, you know. Overcome. Right, Esther?
Right.
So any storm will overcome. Anything we do, any down will overcome. You hear? No rain. Nice surprise. You know that there's no rain, guys. As you can see, I have to get everything done before I make my move. You know what I mean? So at least when I leave now, most people is satisfied. You know? So I have to get most things out the way. So I have some stuff now to give out for the kids them as well too. You know what I'm saying? Time is very limited right now, but I'm trying to make it work. You know? I'm trying to make it work, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Night.
So leave it there, I don't know, it's with me.
These are so heavy. Eh? Long time. Let them all wash. Yes, I go for your part. Yeah? Yeah, walk with it, man. You go on the sleep, man. Eh? That's nature vibes. See, look, the pants are dry. They wash on the river and leave it on the river. Kids them clothes. Cranberry! Cranberry! You hear them? Are they here? Oh. Hello. How you doing?
Fine.
High five. High five. To your friend Esther. Guys, Papi start dig already.
Man, see that?
Yeah man, see foundation start.
Yeah.
Foundation start and set already Esther. This is what I'm talking about. This is progress. You know, as you can see. Hello.
Evening, Dad.
Evening. How you doing?
Fine.
It's a different client.
You know swim?
Yes.
Every day in a swim. Because the ear always pull out.
The school locking up?
The school girl there now?
Yeah, that's how would I warm.
Oh. You to Nana?
Yes.
School girl. Your ear wet?
No. Put ear on.
Put ear on. Wow. Toko.
No.
Toko. Why your ear so wet? You know the water? I always a swim. Guys, I know most of you guys are always at how comes the kids them here and do and thing like what happen like when they go into school, you know, the mama always catch them ear up and thing, you know, because when them come home, them always in the river, like them in the river right through, because that's where they get they're dry. Whenever them come from school, they're in the water. So most time they come here and touch them ear, it always wet because them always in the water. Always in the water, trust me. They never without the water. So that's why sometimes you look on their skin, you can see them kind of look white, you know. Because through them in the water, them skin dry, you know, because they always. Just look on them face, I always look cool. Like cranberry. Move your hand. Move your hand for your face. Look, white. Nah. White. You like swim every day? Every day you swim? You're not afraid of the water? Toko?
You never told someone to my sister birthday.
No.
No, the baby one.
The baby one? I'm never get it on time then.
Must send it. No, look for your phone. Good.
Oh, I forgot to check it. I got someone. You, Miss Toko, you're acting so quiet.
Yeah.
And you was cussing and making beer noise on the status. I saw the video.
Yeah.
You saw it, right?
Yeah, and then once you don't have
See your cuss on the video. Alright guys, as you can see, look, the foundation has started already. You know, the father, see, it's time they go to your side already and cast it out. You know, and him dig off the hill, as you can see. You know, that space look good as well too. You see, wow. Yes, the space look good, as I can see. So it's in line with the house, you know, because he dig the foundation and he cast it already. You know, he cast it already, as I can see the concrete here. Esther, watch your foot, let me show them. There's the steel. So he literally cast it and him dig down.
No one.
Him dig down piece of the hill, as I can see.
I'll get it, okay?
Yeah, so he might put in the work. Yes, yeah. I'm gonna put in the work. Oh, go on, General. See, I put in the work.
That's it.
Yeah, man. That's what.
Still 6 years, man.
Yeah, man. I like where I go on, you know. So, I see the space now.
I'm still up here digging, digging some more.
Yeah, digging some more. Yeah, because it's better, the bigger the space.
Yeah.
It's better, you know. Because you know. So at least in a film room, you can at least have a double bed and a bunk bed that help them, you know. Because you know them get big. So, smell kidney.
Chicken back.
Oh. Hello, happy belated birthday.
My birthday coming tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, tomorrow. How is everything? You good though?
Yeah.
Boy. Yes, I like what I go on. I not lie. It's a good look, you know? It's really a good look.
You know, say me and the pin them get some stone. And How we get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and 3 look at other boy.
Yeah.
They end up come give you a strength.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
See them there.
Remember. Oh.
No, because I could have carried the son and seen it done, man. But if you can't carry some, you have to carry one bag. So I carry one bag of pressure food. So I have to carry one bag of ease up.
Oh. Okay. So you kind of lean up the bed.
Lean up the bed.
And put the mattress on top. Mm-hmm. So you know, so the extension definitely are gonna need it, you know. We're gonna use ply,
Yeah.
cement ply. Yeah, I better. But how much sheet you think you don't need for do that?
Oh, me that print at the back, me that black up to the box and cast the back.
Oh, right there, some of the inlet, yeah. Okay.
Somebody even use black round them and I just box and cast it with the steel, yeah.
Eh?
Well,
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You can see that. So, we have some stuff here for them. Have some stuff here. So we have. Let me tell you the name or the age. Let me see this one. 5 years old. Or 5. Toko.
What girl number 1?
Toko. Yeah. This is Toko. This is for you from the Overcomers. See, listen, Toko, I don't want you to act shy now because I saw the video with you a cuss out. You know who you are cuss? And you talk about, oh, no, rampant me. And you know, why you act like you see it now? You know, I see the video and I'm like, I Toko that. I like,
I don't want to run from local sister. No?
yeah. And you get police. All our video there. So thank you, Overcomers.
Thank you, Overcomers.
Alright then, so that is yours, right? That is for you. Now we have my girl number 1 stay for the loss.
Girl number 2.
This is Nana.
No?
No, let's see this one. Tara. Yeah. Wait, let me see. No, the one without name is Tara. Oh wait there, 5 plus. I think let me see. This what is it? 2?
Girl number 2.
Oh, girl number 2. Okay. This is for Tyra. Come on.
Wait, don't do that.
So this is for you. This is for you, Tyra.
Spirit.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
She'll look for the crowd. Say thanks.
So you can thank the Overcomers for her then.
Thank you, Overcomers, for the gift for the girls. And may God bless you this Christmas.
Alright, and we have Nana.
Oh, Nana.
This is Nana. This is Nana.
Come talk, come.
So Nana, you're gonna thank. Yeah, Nana. You're gonna thank Overcomers for
Thank
your.
you very much, Overcomers. Thank you very much, Overcomers.
Alright, everyone moving so shy today. So you can check in your bag when you okay? You get everything. And for you, Miss Cranberry.
Daddy.
I mean daddy what?
Nuh-uh.
Oh. Like you're ready for go trace the people them.
Well, nah, dude. My mother said I'm not forget trouble.
Your mother say not forgive trouble.
When they come quiet today.
They're quiet today. You must, you know, if you get no trouble, I tell you already, you must not trace, you know. Like you have an old soul. Is that old soul?
When you come tomorrow for we? When you come? Have you asked if we can put on something that woman like yourself who want to put on the baby meals that we can do?
What are they? That's what the kids want them.
The look on here there.
Why you want the... You want to put on kids name?
I don't put on the big one then.
You never put on now? No.
See my auntie have on them there too.
You're too old. Alright then, so Cranberry, this is your bag here. So you're the big one. You get the big bag.
Girl number 1.
Girl number 1. So that is for you from the Overcomers.
Because of that.
Tell the Overcomers come.
Just to come and thank the Overcomers.
Thank you, Overcomers. And your basket never empty.
Okay. Never empty. Never empty. So
It's a mixture.
it's a mixture.
Yeah.
As well too from Andy, right? Yeah.
No,
Hope. Okay, yeah, from Miss Hope. So we have also a bag here with mixture as well too from Miss Hope from the UK.
Miss Hope, I'm thanking you so much for all the gifts that you have sent for the girls, and may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
Yeah, never empty. Alright then, so we also have some donation as well too to help out, you know. So wow. What's that? Oh, look at that, Mr. Oil, look.
And I saw.
Like this.
I saw.
Hey. Your comb set. Yeah. Wow, I can't bury that. I can't bury that. Oh, look so cute. I can't bury that. Just she's blushing. Nana, you're the ketchup. I'm going to the light. Go on look a bit. I'm going to the light. Instead of right at the light, yes, so. I really like it. Oh, the light, that's so that in the under it. I thought they cook up a pot.
Then you're going to come here. Yeah, bring her down the cocoa. Me have to make her from there. Yeah, make it for me.
She even just sit down here a while ago play a Ludi.
Yeah.
A Ludi play a while ago though. Domino. Just passed her a while ago. Oh, the press on.
I'm very
Oh, the press on. You want to put on press on nails. Why you want to do that?
You can't be. You can't even go wash it. You go wash your clothes up.
Yeah, I can wash my clothes. I can't see her. She did nails, you know.
Oh, let me see.
She not put her here. See her mother one day.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, go on, come true.
I'm blessing, I come see you now. I'm hear about it, so I come witness it myself.
Yeah.
Respect and enough love.
Every time, man.
Yeah,
Big up
man,
yourself,
enough
Big
love.
up
I'm a
yourself.
brother, I know, and I'm looking brother. Yeah.
See there.
I'm in East them.
Oh, small world, you know. Come here, pass. I say, yo, Kino, come here. I say,
Me watch it straight and
I would leader.
Just
Touching, you know.
I'm me to tell you.
Very touching. That's why when I'm coming here, worry about the river as well too.
Yeah. But them that distance from it, you know, just like the crossing with that bother them.
Yeah.
And them can have another road where they can walk.
Cause the way Mr. Toko local jump that river there,
They can swim there far.
them can't swim.
Eh?
You know. Oh boy, me I tell you, river is all about thing in these times.
Tell you, man, me not swim, me not go river none of time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me not swim down what here.
Alright then, so now some donation we can help out, you know. Cranberry.
Love the blessing when you go. That's
Yeah.
how each one help one and the blessing flow. You see it?
Same way, man. Cause you can see the help is needed, you know. Alright then, so we have $9,000 a year from Anonymous from the UK, you know, to help out with the situation. Right, so mommy, so you're gonna tell Anonymous from the UK, thank you. So count it says
That's anonymous. That person don't want to listen.
that ground. Go underground, miss.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
Anonymous, thank you so much for this help out with the kids and finish off the place. But thank you. I just see you are
Yes.
and it's all finish as well. But thank you so much.
Cranberry same way, you know. So I'm saying all of your mommy I do all counting, so you can tell Anonymous thank you as well.
Thank you, Anonymous. Thank you very much.
Alright. And then we also have Will from Canada. $14,000 as well to help out from Will from Canada.
You know, so 2 times you don't invest still.
Yeah, we'll always donate.
Will, thank you so much, and may God bless you so much.
Yes. We'll always donate. Come here. So you come tell Will thanks as well too.
Thank you, Will. Thank you very much.
And may your food basket never empty.
And make your food basket never empty.
Alright. So we also have Paddy Watt as well too from the USA. $28,000 from Paddy Watt from the USA to help out with the situation. So I counted first, so it's 28. Paddy Watt.
Patty Watt, thank you so much for her helping out and make your food basket never be empty. And God bless you this Christmas.
Okay. Come here, Cranberry.
Cranberry, come
Paddy Watt.
tell her.
Thank you. Come.
Thank you. What's your name?
Patty Watt.
Paddy Watt. Thank you very much. Your basket never empty.
Alright. And I said that the stuff them is from Overcomers. You know. So
Overcomers, thank you so much. And all the goodness you're doing, God will help you and somebody else will help you. But thank you so much from the girls to me, from their father, and the girls, thank you so much and may God bless you.
yeah, and also Miss O.
And Miss O. And Jeremy.
Will?
Will.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Will.
Yeah, Anonymous.
And Anonymous.
Yeah, man. So we'll give thanks. So yes, guys. So we'll give thanks, for the blessings, to help out Cranberry and the family. As you can see, the father started to put out the work already. He already dig foundation. He already dig down the hill as well to cast the floor. So in the cast the floor, he's gonna build a little wall to make the roof expand. So as you can see, the bed is lean up here, the base. So the mattress is there, so you can definitely know that it's going to need an extension for them to have another room for the bed to make room, So at least work in progress, so that's what we like to see, once work are going, they will continue to give the support, because they see that the family need help, right? So we have bathroom as well too?
So we need to fix it up, but that me and him the plan for fix the pit, dig a pit, and fix it up. So we have to try to do that. One pit was there, but it kind of overfull now, so we have to dig back one. So we have to get some guys to try dig it, or we have to dig it yourself and get back some stone. But the stone them easy for look, and the sun them they near, so we're not gonna have no problem with that.
Alright then, so basically you do have my bathroom at the minute then, right? Okay. So guys, so as you can see, because there's a donor that asking people about bathrooms, they got no bathroom at the minute, so basically them bathe at the river, and then the thing goes already to rest, so that's how the situation is right here, so I'm so the kids them, I know the kids them really inspired, so the kids them need a better future because of them situation, so we're thanking you so much for helping because the help is really needed, so when we go on to the right thing, see me, yeah? Oh, Papi there?
Daddy!
Papi! Talk a look, you like your stuff? Watch ya?
Put on socks and crooks.
Put on socks and crooks already. Yeah, man, so I'm say, let's continue the work, see me. And you can just thank all of the extended family, them, who help and I reach out, so you can tell them a thank you.
Give thanks and whole for love, man. Whole for honor and love.
Yeah, so let's continue so we can just see me, We know we are. Alright then. Mama!
Open up and see.
Pick up yourself, yeah? Yeah, man,
Whole for honor for you seeing way for
man. To God be the glory, That's why I'm always work through us, so we have to do the right thing. You know, because me could have in the same position same way. And so I don't want someone to come on and help me out same way, you know. Because we're supposed to help each other, that's the reason why we're here, you know. Look out for each other, you know, because remember, you know, anything we have now, we're not take it with we're gone. We're gonna live with yourself. So why not show somebody love? You know, we have to do the right thing. You, Miss Cranberry, you're cooking? I cook. Cranberry, I cook. Yeah, that's what man do the right thing.
You off the camera?
You want to come off?
Come me want to ask you if one of the win the match, one of the play before leave.
Yeah.
One of the win it.
Yeah, we win it. We reach a semi-final.
Okay.
So we just semi-final, lose the semi-final.
Okay.
Yeah, so we the win, man. That was a group match and we played the quarter-final, then we go semi-final and lose the semi-final, you know. So we reach far. So
That's good.
we definitely gonna win something for him.
Of course.
You know?
Course.
Alright,
I
yeah.
remember me can't cross the river when it dark. Come my baby.
You can cross it too? Oh, say she can't cross it.
Look at more.
Nobody can cross it. Oh, you are going in your shoes already? You have on 2 wrong foot.
No, my baby alone give me a
So Toko put on her shoes already. Her Crocs. New socks, new Crocs.
So,
Okay, go on.
that's it on my alley.
Where you going, Cranberry?
For me, last year up here.
Cranberry, she bad though. She love cuss.
Yeah, me I come in my pocket.
Please get dark, whoa. You know the nigga like the night. Yes, papi, me see where I go on, you know? So you gotta dig off some more.
Yeah, man, I carry to you.
You don't want to dig off it.
How far you dig it to? Me show me where I go on there.
I'm 13, but right, but same the most, the right, same like how you see that go right, some I go build it, come right. That's me a space can walk right all them through on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just put up some alcohol retaining wall just in case.
The back.
Just in case you have to either slide,
You
you know?
got board the front, you got box on the class of that.
Box and chairs. So a talent we have long time then, man.
Yeah, brother, man, yes, and I'm when I come on the big wall, you see below that stuff.
Are you Billy?
Yeah, man, I want to. I already I put up on my foot again, man.
Yeah.
I'm going to go there do some work and I top the foot.
Oh, yeah. Judge. Yeah, man, just continue the right thing, see me, you know? Yeah. You're going down. You're going down. Alright then. Yeah. Yeah, thanks.
And oh, chef, bye.
Wow, chef.
Bye.
Yeah.
See you journey going back down.
Alright then.
Practice to come down. No, this something is a practice about no.
Can't go so. You find a stick? Oh, yeah, man. Alright, cool. How old is in a so? How old is? Oh, yo. Oh, Nana. What Toko, why you never take off your Crocs? Toko have on Esther. Toko put on her Crocs. Well, Toko put...
She said she want to wear it.
So she want to wear it.
So you go to us that.
Toko, you know your pretty Crocs. Oh, you got...
It's under this?
No, it's not pop, it's open. Open it, open.
Oh,
Yeah, eh? What do you want to do? Unpull it? You want tight? The one you hard. If you make it very tight, you know, go.
no,
Watch out.
You want to pull out, yeah.
No, enough for corn.
It's hard to pull, that one, it's hard to pull.
Low it.
Love it.
May I cut it off?
Yeah, you have to cut it down. No. I'm not scissors in the car. No, I'm not have no scissors in the car. No knife.
Right, no. Listen. Watch mark another.
Are you a wash cranberry? Oh. So now leave the clothes them down here?
No, come to them.
Oh.
That's how we get full room.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, that's my foot's on.
Which one? Eh? So come and take out the crocs. My head drop. Yo, I'm gonna try to jump like Toko. Oh, sir. Why not granny stick? Toko make sure put on a new socks and a new crocs. Yeah. Just walk with a granny stick. Yes, sir. You see the kids them don't need light. They must run like they know every walk. Me look funny you know. Miss Toko Loco. They say one Sarah cuss out help on one video. You know who on her. If you tell my sister, watch what happen. We are rampant. Yes. That's so Toko go on. If you tell my sister. Nana. Oh.
Nana, bring my stick here. I never start walking. No, let's have to bring it back.
I think walk with.
Yeah, that's how it's come back out.
I think walk with.
I tell you, go go there.
I don't want stick. I don't want to.
Yeah, that's her father walking. Yeah. See,
Have the man stick.
have the man walking still. Alright guys, as I say, as you can see, you know, as I say, it's a good thing the father is also, he's a builder, so you know, so in there he might help himself, you know. I can see him dig out foundation, you know, and him cast the columns them already, the corners they're gonna put up, so he's know what he's doing, you know, so any support we can get and give to them, you know, they will definitely get the job done, you know, because I can see that he know that the help is really needed, so he thank you so much for the support, because trust me, he can't hear it in voice, even and speak to him off camera, and thank me so much, because you know, as something where he must say, you know, me, should I do this, you know, but we know how it goes already sometime in life and time. We cannot really help a situation to help ourselves, much less, you know, so sometimes when we help each other to even help out more, you know, because we know we want to do it, but we just don't, you know. The always say the heart is willing, you know, but the pocket is weak, you know. So that's how the family kind of go through right now, you know. So we thank you so much for reaching out in our will, you know, and the most, you know, all the donors, them, our extended family, you know, we thank you so much, you know. So this is not you want to thank them.
Thank you so much.
That's Nana. Nana. You watch it?
Nana, come here, father stick.
Yes.
You never know. It helped me.
Supposed to have some change here. Yes, they have some dollars. Supposed to have some dollars here. Can give to them.
You find my crazy girl and group of this.
Okay. How much are there? Give them few then.
What idea?
I run from you. Go and talk out. See here's the talk out.
Why? So give me a bring over from sister.
Bring over? The baby?
Yes, you're not girl.
No, not you.
Alright, sir. Nah, give me no.
No, came out too enough.
Canberra, when you, she done you?
Yeah. I want to say I bring this. I'm not coming. No, I'm sorry, man. I bring money here. Say.
Oh, what you say? What she cause you say?
Show me say, I'm gonna bring something. Yeah, that is say last time I bring nothing.
You see, especially trace worship them and them come up here. Eh? So now you're Esther at war, now Cranberry.
Say I bring nothing.
Tell her say you're sorry. Tell her you're sorry. Come.
I'm sorry, not do it again.
I'm not hear you. Turn around. Tell her.
I'm sorry, not do it again.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So you know, say.
No, I'm going to go across the river and watch yourself, you know.
They tell them for themselves.
Look like when I jump across the river.
We talk though.
When I come here, talk.
Yeah. The way you talk up. No, the way you talk up, jump like surprise. Worship if you look upon her like I say. She lick her.
Once the river get heavy, you know, that's how the bag they move off of the thing.
You know, the family say I'm a big swimmer. The whole of my big swimmer, you know, can swim better than me and you.
So the girls say them make sure go because too dark. River come down. So yeah. I say I take time to come myself.
Alright, so we go up now, right? So,
Alright, Toko.
So bye bye. Bye now. Toko. High five.
No, this one because the other thing big. No, let's see. Because your aunt too big.
Yeah, because I'm big. You Miss Cranberry. Bye bye.
Bring some here again.
Leave my door.
Come Toko, come to your own.
Go and get Esther hugs.
No. Bring some here again here.
Like hug you, you know I hug me.
Come hug you.
You sure hug your daddy, hug your Right. And go on up here. See you later.
Hey daddy, bye.
Bye. Bye bye. You're not gone yet. You say bye, you're not gone yet.
Bye daddy.
Bye. Alright, Nana, go. Alright then, go on, Nana. Make sure you soon start walk up.
Yes, yeah, me I do.
When I left Toko, shoes are fly off. When I left Toko, don't left Toko. Toko, they look a granny, you know. Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Ho 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 ho! Yes, guys, welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Today I am Santa. Ho 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 ho! Yes, guys, we're gonna give out some stuff. We're gonna give out some stuff that we got to give away. Come, put them in the car. I think they put them in the car. Whoa, bring them on there, come. Hey, we are telling about go over your yard for? Eh? Esther, come out here. So basically what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna drive around and give out these stuff. We got some toys. We're gonna give them out, and we got some clothes that are already sorted out already. So we're gonna give them out right now. Esther. Listen. I worship Santa, man.
Worship Santa. Worship Santa. We're not selling Jimmy. Worship Santa, Jimmy.
Esther, I could take out for them things and get them.
Jimmy, hold on, let's start one place. Jimmy, Jimmy,
We'll take out for them things. Yeah. So they made nobody to come out then?
No, they made it to come out. Yeah, they can come out.
Okay. Who give them the size?
Alright, so watch it out.
So we're gonna drive round.
Some positive line.
Put them age group in there. Yo. Hey. Yeah? Look at the little panther. Oh. To AJ, that's a Percy, that boy.
Two, 4, 6, 7, 8 in there, so. Be a big picnic.
Yeah, big picnic, like what you get?
Yeah, like puzzle.
Whoa, whoa, what is that? Esther, Uzu, Eva.
Yeah.
Alright, go on.
Eva Aslan.
Eva, sing the Christmas song for me. Come sing the Christmas. No, give me again. Give me say come, Eva, come. But you have to sing. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Sing that. No, sing it. Don't sing. Merry Christmas.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Wow.
Yes, I don't want to Eva get this one and say, yeah! Eva, hold it. Hold on, Jimmy, so get.
So where's my best friend?
Some fair now.
Jimmy, I get mine.
Okay.
Come, here for cooking. Say thank you. Gymna say yeah,
You did.
I'll draw some this so
Yeah.
you can get it. Hello, Peppa Pig?
So thank you.
Thank you. Bring it.
Alright. Ali is here. So Ali is here. We also have a donation for Ali while he's here. You know, so this is to help out with us. This is $10,000 from Miss Lovey from the USA. Yeah.
Love from the USA. Much love, only for love, Miss Love. Yeah, I say, I look towards the mother thing. As I say, set up on them something. So Miss Love, you just go and big up yourself in the heart of love. Yeah, I say, much love, Miss Love. Straight heart of love.
This is for Rashida.
Oh,
RJ.
go on. RJ, come.
You got pain.
RJ.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, yo. Where is RJS? By jokes.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Nana, that is yesterday.
And then you're not stating good. Say your grandfather this.
I am
Your grandfather this.
This is a grandfather, right?
Right. You just a state it now. Go another part.
Who is not Esther?
Shida, Eva. Eva, come
Yo,
Yeah, man.
link my sister.
Yeah.
It's a person to make them parents probably can't make it up to them.
If you get a bigger one, then. Yeah. If you get a bigger one, this. Here, Jeff on this. Here, Jeff on this. So thank you.
Mama.
Evan.
Mama. So thank you.
Thank you.
I think I'll hear something. You heard that?
The next could be in a boy.
This is a girl son that. Normally that says she could have given granddaughter. Whoa! When I look over them money they can get this.
Look at everyone.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Thank you.
Thank you. What? Next could you could boy there.
Mana pale ada ha? Kita mesti transfer
Boy, Adisa boy.
alam semua. Si Fazil boleh no buat kan. What size are you? Pandala. Tapi kali mana? Tapi tu saya dah.
Yeah.
Saya mana
A big female.
Dia nak big, sini dia nak big sashi. Jadi nak pesan
Something in the bag, wait a minute, clothes in the Philippines, still have to go there, the child one.
Sudah ni kan? Ya, dah. No, here girl section. Girl room tu yang. Then yes. How much one?
Joshua, go. So thank you. Huh? Start now? May I come in? What? Yo, go on it.
Yo, man.
That go down here, 4th Street.
Make him go and drive man down, because I remember not smoke and beat rum, you know. Yeah. You go on, so.
Bring on the side. Bring in the side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My what size? Yeah, little girl in the yard. My what size? Vardy. Is it bigger than Vardy foot? Come here, come take off your crocs. See how little girl there. Bring little girl them come.
Bring little girl them come. Take your little girl nice and bring her come there.
Eh?
I see that. Yeah, man.
My girl in it, man. Put him foot in it. Pin size that.
Sorry, Sir Nigel.
Pin size that.
Sir Nigel, come give me.
A pin size, man.
Oh, yeah.
That's your size, buddy. Alright, buddy, take it up.
The shoes them extra. Hold on.
And the fitter?
Your size got mirror.
Your size got mirror. She name mirror.
Yes, got mirror. Mirror bigger than all.
That's fair size that, huh?
Yeah.
So what we need to aim?
So that's small for him.
Yes, all of them.
Pull out the next one.
Kino.
Which one is one for try for you?
Kino the car one, eh?
Fair fit there, right?
I shall go.
Good night.
No, that one the big.
That big. What size is it?
Try about this.
Try about this then.
Try about Puma.
So me that could be. No, the leather foot. Leather one, leather foot.
Okay, one of the girl clothes in there.
What's that?
No says that.
When I want that.
Try it now. Come here. You have something, a bag?
Yeah, man.
A bag, you can put that foot in, huh?
Kino. Yeah, man, that's the thing.
You can put a girl in that.
Yeah. You that.
Take it then look funny now.
You have to put your foot in that bag there.
Yeah, sure. Oh, that's it. Yeah, same that.
Jordan.
Big fat Jordan that.
A 5.5 size to wear.
But they come out on the road. They come out on the road. Yeah, try. Yeah. Big fat Jordan. Esther, fit her.
Come give me a bag.
Esther, come here. So thank you, ND. So thank you. And ND. Oh, Mary. Yeah. Oh, Mary. Yeah. So you can thank Mary. So thank you, Mary. Alright, yeah. That fit him? Outside, come here. Yeah. Yeah. Come here, so thank you, Mary. Alright then, go on.
Yes, man, some give out number for no one here.
Guys, so this stuff is from Mary. Also, we have some stuff from Andy. So I made a mistake with the names. Mary, that's some stuff.
Take one now, like in about 30 pounds.
Denise.
Brush off her foot. Before you put them in, brush off them foot. Just in case they become.
Alright. Smart rose, man.
Stop me night. They cut the stuff in. Stuff in the night.
Come there, come.
Alright, take it off. Take it off. Yeah. So thank you. So come here. So thank you, Mary.
Thank you, Mary.
Alright.
So if you can get something next time, nothing like can fit her.
What kind of that candy? The candy comes. Mama.
Yes, sir. Can't fit her.
How much?
How much?
5.
She went to try on this. Come here. Come right there.
We come out there.
Come. I'm trying to shoot it.
What the bag? Put on the bag for now.
The bag there.
Bag in there, put the bag in there. One bag for me.
5. That's it, huh? Peter? Oh, Peter, man, I have try it anymore.
Take it out, my friend. Take it out. 100!
Yeah, but she come say thank you.
Come say thank you.
So thank you, Mary.
Thank you, Mary.
Alright. Give her with the bag. Esther, put it back in her bag. Yeah. So thank you.
We are not here, man.
I'm an advanced boy, Esther.
I see me.
Well, you must say, what's 6? Esther, give me them advance one there. Pay for Rosa boy, because I'm big enough.
Me too big.
Well, that's the 13. They're going to thank you in the video. What's this extra family?
Chance, man. Come.
Thank you.
So thank you, Marie.
Thank you, Marine.
That can fit. Right then. This is fit in? Sorry. Come here. Right here, sir. See your bag. So say thank you, Marie.
Thank you, Marine.
Okay, so. Alright then, go on.
Come here.
I can't fit you?
A panty that.
Oh, no man, this can't fit you.
A panty that.
A brief. This is a brief. But this. Whoa, chef. Are you getting this?
And the pants that.
That brief I can't fit in.
They're too big. This can't fit you. Too big.
Did I get one already? Give him one of them then. One of them, a small one. It still look big. They're too big as well. Let's see that one. Still too big. Yeah? This, oh, you know,
Look like fit me.
Try on this food.
alright, then, so good.
Try on the suit.
No man, we do already. I mean, said this is son. Look away.
Sorry. Let's not put back.
Hey. That's too big. Hold on. I want to. Yeah, come tell me where this is. I'm going. Thank you, Mary.
No, why don't they do?
No, that's good.
You move this mountain next month in the try pan him, man. Go try pan him. Try pan kind of. Chop them and try pan one of them. No, you too far. Just sit there, so. Come here.
That's too big for him. No, that's big for him. So thank you, Marie. Come here. So thank you, Marie.
Thank you, Marie.
Okay, alright, then you can go. Esther, so we'll go up on 2nd Street. No, keep ties each there. Keep on there.
Me not take something for small.
No, no more than they feel. I'll be a girl summer.
So thank you, Marie.
Thank you, Auntie Marie.
Thank you, Auntie Marie.
Come on. We'll go on the next street.
Water come, thank you, and
Come and see this, you know. I must say this can't
That
fit.
can't fit him, man. It's a big boy something there. Come.
Done, man. Come, you know.
How much? How is she? Six in
Yeah,
there.
no, boom, miss. Just a come. Yeah, sure. Boom, pick up something down the store. Come, look, come.
Shall look.
Yes, look something.
yes, you got our body be.
That's 7.
Esther, just look for the 6 for she. I could go up on the next street.
Right there, man. Sit there. Sit there,
Nah,
sir.
fit her. They're too tight. They're too tight.
Shine look like you're a key, no make sure see.
Yes, man, next week or something do that. Next week Christmas, when I do a Christmas, I work on Christmas yet. Wait till next week Christmas gone and next week find out if
Yeah, do right, that's
get money and say if you don't get a restaurant, do that.
That
Yeah,
one
man,
like
Esther.
she.
Yeah. Check it and say Esther. Yeah, man.
It's not for your type.
Yeah, that can't fit mama to the food. Yeah, that can't fit mama.
Yeah, move up, girl.
So, I say thank you, Mary.
Call it come.
You have adult as well, you know?
Yeah, I have adult and girl.
Alright. So the adult bag. Soon come shine outside. You want to go there? The girl can't get this.
Where is niece there? Where niece there?
Shit. Is that boy that though?
Yeah,
Oh boy.
be a boy, me, be a boy.
The boy them didn't see that much.
Poor boy now. Yeah. One baby, or 1 and 2 people there go. 2 more me I go for next.
Are you tough than like? Catchy or
What a boy?
girl?
3-year-old girl.
3 years old, is so? Oh. Alright, me and come go link father for the year, like on there, so. Esther, you can go and do that if anything. Vams! 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 Where go on? Hello.
You're on night
Okay.
again.
Night again. Come and drop off something for no quick. Go on in. Go on inside. Go on inside.
Yes, you can come inside. It's a little bit less, but it's not worth it.
It's okay.
Hi,
It's okay.
Sleep down a little bit.
Just turn it down.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Alright, bro. So I'm there do a drive, you know, give us some stuff and things. So for Ven, Esther is gonna pick some stuff for her, yeah? So Esther is gonna drop it off differently.
Yeah.
Okay, Ven?
Yeah.
Yes, you're gonna get some stuff. So we have some donation for you because them outside I give out some stuff as well. But Esther never get the chance to with the stuff for Ven. So alright then. So Shanette, alright then, because you know once Shanette's sister. So Ven, got money for you, Ven.
Money.
Yeah, 3,000. Come here, Ven. We got 3,500 for you, Ven. From Miss L.
Thank you, Miss L.
Yeah, from the USA.
From the USA.
From the USA.
Yeah. And we have one for Shanette as well too.
Really?
Yeah. From Miss L, 3,005 for you. So Miss Miss L from the USA. Here you go.
Thank you, Miss L from the USA. I hope USA is good for you. I wish I could visit USA too.
One day, right?
Yeah, because there's not much happening in Jamaica. Thank you. And have a Merry Christmas.
Alright, she said there's not much thing happening in Jamaica anyway. One day you will visit, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, then.
We're going on foreign vacation.
Yeah. One day. Yeah. You get them passport ready. So so me have 15,000 here for you. Father for the year from Lizzie, you know, from Brockley, London. So this is $15,000 here for you from Lizzie from Brockley, London. Miss Lizzie.
Miss Lizzie from Brockley, London. Boy, I give thanks to you for your book mistake, because they were nice Christmas. I don't see them up here right now.
Yeah.
See, I'm more ever happy Christmas too when it comes. And a Merry New Year, you see?
Yes.
So take care of yourself for the Christmas. Now take care of myself too for the Christmas, because I say go, I never take care of them.
Of course.
See?
Yeah.
So, have a happy Christmas and a nice New Year, Miss Lizzie.
Alright then, so yeah man, so we give thanks to Miss Lizzie, you know, blessed love, I will thank you. And for the stuff them that we're giving out as well from Miss Marie, you know, we thank you so much. So we're running the shifts right now tonight, same way, you know. Yeah, we'll be up and down, you know, so Esther and the team is outside giving out some stuff while I'm here giving this donation as well. So Merry Christmas to all, you know, so the journey continues. So it's here. Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Come. Merry Christmas to one and all.
Yes. Alright then. To one and all. Alright then. See you later. High five. Father for the year. Big up yourself for that.
One thing. I was watching television and they said money was nothing but a bag of paper.
That's it.
It's true.
It's true. Yeah, it helps, you know, it helps the source. Alright then, Daddy. Yeah. So now we're on the next street, you know, giving out some stuff on the next street. What, you find some stuff for them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm come say thank you.
Oh, she get the toys.
Alright, so thank you. Yeah.
Alright. Always get stuff.
Hold on then. We not wait for you. Come baby.
So thank you, Miss Mary.
Thank you.
Miss Mary.
Thank you, Miss Mary.
And you too. So, so thank you, Miss Mary.
What should I? Yes, start sister do her age, and tomorrow her birthday.
For your sister. Alright. I don't like your style. We have a big size shoe. Yeah?
Good night. Him can collect one of them big ties of him and his brother.
No man, them get a portion of stuff for
Thank you. No, not in my baby, me a talk, man. See there. See him there.
Oh, because the wrong one you applying for a while ago.
No, sir. See me there right there.
Thank you, Miss Mary.
That's about that Peter.
Sure.
That's about that picture.
Peter?
Yeah.
She not getting
No, you never get she.
Take it off. I'm strong.
She a come back. She a come back.
Yeah, no problem. She said that already.
Come here, let me take that shit I can't fit you.
bag can fit shoe.
Yeah, how much?
13.
13.
No, that's what I said that one you can't fit that. She's a big woman now, she can't wear that now, Esther.
Oh, no,
She can't get one of them there. No, it's not them.
Esther, this is Starbucks.
Esther.
She has bought she making the clothes. Yeah, that's nice. But let me
Hold on now.
that can't fit right.
You know.
Yeah, we can learn.
Hold on now. Your voice are heavy. A football you can't play. You can't play football.
Oh, achieve a sister four. I want to be dancing, so people to dance.
She not dance.
Oh, them are girls. The girls is? Alright. That's it, huh?
Come, say thank you. Well dressed, baby.
Say thank you, Miss
Alright. Say thank you. Alright, put
Hold on.
Anybody know one bag? Yeah. Bag.
Stop now, man.
Let's eat.
Hold on, baby.
No, that's a big pajama. That's a big
Pajama.
Chelsea that can fit.
Chelsea can't go do it. You get ready.
She, Esther, so one girl, yes,
May I try first?
something here.
That's no black.
Die. So that now fit already?
No, a different somebody.
Oh, different.
The next girl will get gone.
Find a shot in the feet? Measure it, man. That's your tall, you know. That, you see that? Put it back on her.
Tights can go with it.
Thank you.
No, man, because this can't go down to more, man. You know that will fit her, man, because I see him think I should have on
Like
so.
this skirt.
Yeah.
Going back there. More back here.
So thank you, Miss Mary.
Thank you, Miss
No, take up. Come here.
Thank you.
Right here, so thank you, Miss Mary.
Thank you, Miss Mary.
I said, China, well, I'm a line.
Sorry.
Super Mario!
Come, step up.
No, like you not. I'm gonna know them names.
Make them first. Let them say
Right here, look right here. So thank you, Miss Mary. She put her on the back on her foot. That look like it got tight here. The left foot. That looks like it got tight.
That tight.
That tight.
But I put liquor. I brought up
I brought it, bro.
Push on your foot.
Push up your foot up your size. Watch out. See then? Up your size. I'm going to see you. Alright, are you that in a girl?
Yeah. Come on, say thank you, Miss Mary.
Thank you, Miss Marie.
So much you have all I eat.
Am I ready? Them one am I won't come
How
out.
she is?
I wanna get girl good night. No, no more baby span of this. See I get something there.
Anyone I say on the camera, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so thank you. Thank you.
Miss. Yeah, that one in there. Miss. Hello. Yeah, the puzzle one here.
Who get that? Come here, come say thank you. Say thank you, Miss Mary.
Thank you.
Miss Mary.
Miss. Thank you, Miss Mary. She that one.
Thank you.
No.
Every voice.
Thank you, Miss Mary.
Yeah, everyone.
Next
Thank you.
Is that set that? Oh, for the baby?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. So thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. Did the eat back?
No, something come on. Come on, baby. Boy, everything you make up your face, I eat a style sometimes. Come, put on your foot. Boy, look at your foot too big. That one. It's not Africa. In Africa. Yeah, respect. Take out the tongue. Look, no more than that. Like a bad look.
Oh, we have the ladies, them tampon.
Don't touch my meat and I'm afraid my make Miss Mary hear it. You know
where this? You know where tampon? Two nights, so you can share one. Share one. You can go Taylor. Just matter.
So my man couldn't come. Dear man thing. Dear man shot woman. One and see dear mother.
What can't fit her?
Oh, she
Tall dress. A skirt. No. And a skirt. You put it on your face, you dress that. You put it on your chest. Let me see if right? Oh, a skirt, man. A skirt. What I do over here, mama?
It's not that church, you know.
I'm back here and more. Nobody's so happy now. But more to just look cute, same way. You want to take a picture of your belly? Yes, please. Remember, sir. I'm going to use your one.
Russia, you know what I'm saying?
Hello.
Yeah. Get a baby. So them done.
Thank you. Alright.
So them done, guys. Hello. Alright, guys. So that's everything. I will give thanks to Mary. Thank you, Mary. I did. Thank you, Mary, so much. You know, so listen, it was a hectic one. Yeah, because everything kind of run out now. Esther, that was a good job. It was a mission, younger than he is. We done it. Yes, we done it. You see, we gave the big bag. We gave the big bag. And she put it away. I know she does.
Next year, same time.
Yeah. She look in there and then lock it back. Food come first. Alright.
And then money next time.
Alright. Yeah. Gloria. Gloria. She's not there. Bed empty.
Josie. The Gloria. She's not there.
She's gone hospital. Oh, from yesterday?
Yeah. Last night, admin. How are you, favor? It's a big deal. Yes, last night.
Last night. Oh, guys, I came to give Gloria a donation. You know, but she gone to the hospital last night. So that's the what, our foot?
She had about the pain.
Oh, she about the pain. Alright then, Pep. 5-4!
One corner again.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna put the donation down for her. You know, because she gone to the hospital. Wow, who says so? I lie. I lie. It's nice on the video. Esther, put on this for she and yeah, from Lizzie from Berkeley. You can put it on it. So remember. So. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. So you know the thing goes, I just reached at the airport, you know, so welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica, you know, welcome. Guys, the journey, so airport is full, not even lying. Full. So let's go. 10. Alright guys, so I already checked in. So I already checked in now, so I'm just gonna go upstairs to get something to eat because my flight is really early. So you know when it's early you don't get much time to eat anything more than just get ready and just leave out. So I'm gonna get something to eat upstairs and just wait. So I'll probably have about next hour before my flight starts to board. You know, so guys, if you reach this far from yesterday and the day before, you still haven't given the video a like, what are you waiting for, man? Give the video a like if you like the program. Put the thumbs up, please. Put the thumbs up. As the algorithm grow. But I'm telling you, the airport is busy. Like literally so many people like myself here leaving Jamaica right now this time. You know, in December time, boy. Like it's the first I'm traveling into a place so far. Here to go at the departure. Alright, so done through everything now, get the checks done. Got the checks done, checking everything, so and then wait for probably about next 25 minutes. You'll definitely be ready to board it because downstairs takes some time just now. So let me just run into get something to eat quickly. Good old tasty spaghetti. What you say?
Soy 3,650.
Can I get one as well, please? Thank you. Just like the side, right? Yeah. You know, whenever you're traveling, you have to always bring patties, you know, so I got some side patty for myself. And I'm bringing some, bring over some tasty patty for my friend as well too. One fancy.
How you doing, right way?
Cool, man.
Opa,
Jesus. See it there, man.
Yeah.
One fancy cat.
Done, we're done, come here, runner. Press the line, press the line. Left him out.
But you done with them?
Yeah.
You done with them?
I mean, we're trying to bother put back.
No, it's only joking. You're not done with them.
One Jamaica, man.
One trench town. Boy. You know, one. Yeah. Never better start a YouTube channel. New York now. Bronx. Yeah. Brooklyn.
I got DC, I got Fort Lauderdale to DC, and then from the Monday.
Okay.
Monday come up Monday.
Yeah.
On Sunday. Sunday on Monday. I'm going to try to come up at 26.
By 26. Alright then. So we catch up then, bro. Yeah. That's the great fancy cat. Have you seen? You ever see ITL fancy cat show? One booper. May I fly past my gate? I have the line long. And I'm like, You. Alright guys, so cleared, all clear. Now I'm heading outside where it's freezing. Cold. Vibe. Feel the difference. Hello.
You are here. I didn't hear you say you're coming here. Yeah.
It was a surprise. It was a surprise.
Nice meeting you after all this time.
Nice meeting you. Surprise, right?
Oh, somebody surprised you?
No, I'm saying you get the surprise. You get the surprise. I didn't say I was coming.
Apparently, yeah. Well, I know what you mean.
Yeah. Come say hello to my flag. Hello.
Hi. Even though she'll be on it.
Yeah.
I just put myself together. I want to send something from home.
Okay.
I can appreciate how it's always there with you.
Yeah. Well, you have my numbers.
Yeah, man.
You have my number. Yeah. All right. Running down there. Just here. Oh, and radar.
Have one.
Well, guys. And everything goes. I'm here. And I know you always hear the name. We speak about the name so many times. I will talk about the fashion clothes, them, the quality, and you hear that names many times. You hear about Radar Apparel, which is our love. Remember the other day we were talking about the t-shirt, and we were talking about boom shirt bleach out, but one thing got to stand out, the our love was still there, the dream team still stand up in the back. So when we talk about our love, see the man himself.
Yes.
One Radar Apparel. Indeed, where the quality is, where everything is, trust me, you're gonna see more and know more about him, Radar Apparel, he's our extended family, and trust me guys, a wonderful time now, beating him again, for the second time, right?
Second time in person.
Yes,
second time in person.
I remember he looked out for us with all them Dream Team t-shirts with the Radar, the our love, and I tell you something, quality, hey,
stand out, man.
Two stand out.
Stand out.
Yeah, the quality is so good, man. I tell you guys, and see, you have all the jacket. You're gonna see so much more, You have the winter jacket, you have the summer wear, everywhere you can think of, it's there.
Man.
So you
spread the love, spreading the love through the brand.
Of course, and that's how it's always about the love, So when you hear our love, it's not nothing going on R8, No, it's
straight love.
So imagine the love we put in the quality itself,
Alright.
So once you cook, I put love in the food, that got taste good,
Same with the brand, same with the quality, the fabric, everything.
Same with the quality, guys. So they might have a website, you can also have contact info. So you're gonna know so much.
Yeah, they will know all of that. They will get all of that.
Because they're gonna see me beat the brand them as well, because they always see me beat the t-shirt, so they're with the founder himself, our love. So they're gonna support each other right through.
Indeed.
Brother, we thank you again once more again,
Of course, man, say, and just so you know, Nakina, this is not just for you, what we are doing right now,
Yeah.
It's just for the whole entire team, and not only for the team, it's the good, when God put you in that position to do for all these people in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Because what you're doing down there, bro, it's really touching, and the most important thing is that you keep your thing transparent.
Yes, yes.
You know, I tell people all the time, like I keep preaching this, I say you gotta check out Kino because, and you know, support him thing because everything he does is transparent. Everything across the board. If he send $1 to that man for Andy, Andy will not get that dollar until everything is transparent and Andy is there on the camera. You understand? So don't think, Andy, you're gonna think that, oh, you know, me send $1 for Andy. I don't know when you hear Kino talk about Andy. No, it's not gonna happen. Not with Kino. Everything is transparent. Everything, 1 to 100. You understand? Like and we just have to support the thing with the man just start because he's really helping, you know, like the really super underprivileged community. You understand? A lot of people down there, man, don't even have a bed on this man. You know, make a lot of guys them down there right now today can sleep on a good mattress, you know, in this 2024 Christmas season coming. Have even a meal because right now he's in New York. He left down there and he did a lot of give back. Like so kids, older people, you know, middle-aged people. I'm talking about everything so they can have a good Christmas. Christmas that they did not expect it. You know? So this guy, what he's doing, you got to put God in it, man.
Yes, obviously give God the glory, you know.
Have to give God the glory.
You know. So our glory, you know, goes to the Almighty because if we wasn't living for the Almighty, we wouldn't be none of this at all. You know, so he's working through us. You know, same like you. Cause I remember the first time when you donated to everyone. You know, when you send the first donation, you say, "Keep this for the team." You know, and everyone. Are you the first? Everyone starts spending US.
Yeah.
Just start give out US.
Yeah.
So everybody get a 50 and 50.
And I said 200 US dollars.
And the t-shirts and everything, man. You done so much as well too, you know.
And there's more to come, you know. You know, there's more to come, you know.
The food barrel the last time, the food stuff, them and everything.
It's more to come. Because right now I got about 100 pounds of rice somewhere in the barrel in the house and some huge, you know, thing of oil and stuff and a lot more stuff, you know, a lot more stuff, you know, in the making.
Of course. So it's always, I'm saying, there's no end. You know, so when there's the start already, the beginning, trust me, the journey will always continue. So it's just more goodness to come, you know, because the goodness from our heart. That's all we promote,
for real. But listen, man, I just want to big up all the extended family. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about like everyone all around the world, Canada, England, local, wherever you at. You know what I'm saying? Pablo.
Aye.
I know you're in Canada, man. Listen yourself, Pablo. Big up yourself, Pablo.
Pablo.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Pablo. Pablo watches right now. Say, yeah, man. Big up yourself, Radar.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Pablo, man. One love, man, and to everyone. I don't even remember some of them things. What's your friend name again?
Oliver and
Carla.
Yeah.
There you go, Oliver and Carla. And much love and respect, you know.
There's so much name to call, you know. When you start calling names, you know.
It's like, you don't want to, like, left out a name and somebody say, boy, I can't believe no remember my name. You know?
When you start calling, you've got to make a new video again because there's so much names. You have to make videos and videos and videos. Because there's so much
one and all.
Yes.
One and all. Big up yourself.
There's so much come through this program and donate, you know, like, from the start, you know, like, it's too much, you know, because if we still gonna count them, oh my days, really, there is so much, and I really thank them so much. I really appreciate it.
I have to thank them, Kino, man, because I was telling a guy last night, you know, said, oh, I really cannot start link with you, know, because I have a heart for help people and do good to people, towards people, for people. You know what I'm saying, with the little I have. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I have it like that, but with the little I have, as I said. You know, I was home one day watching the TV and looking at this, running through a lot of these programs, and I said, what's going on, man? The youth help people left, right, and center who really super underprivileged. You understand? And it kind of touched me. And this is one of the time when you say, you know what? Like the first donation I make, it was, I think it was $1,400 or something, $1,350.
So, $1,400.
You know, something like that. And I said, I want everybody to get the US dollar. You know, I want them to feel, the reason why I said I want them to get the US dollar, you know, I'm not trying to belittle anyone, but Jamaica is a thing like this. You see, when them get the US dollar in them hand, we just want them just cling together and just, you know what, more is coming from where this ad came from.
Yes, true.
You know what I'm saying?
True.
So, more and them just trying to get and know, say, you know, there's potential ahead.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
So,
and that was pure love, you know. So in the first year from our love, Radar Apparel.
Yeah, man.
You know, and stand out from then till now, you know, nothing never dropped, you know, the levels is still up, same way, you know, so we want to, with our excellent family, we always keep it like this because we're a family, you know.
So the song say, "We not go tired, facing we face." But remember though, it's no braggadocious thing.
Yeah. Yes, guys, they can say, you know, New York is already known for all the traffics. You know, that's one thing them cannot get away from, the traffic, boy. I will never gonna stop make car radar.
Well, I mean, they still make more car. They need to make more road going to the sky.
Yeah, God, trust me, the amount of cars here in this world, like, it's almost match up to the amount of people were there here. Remember that cartoon named Jetsons?
Yeah.
Yes. And some of them vehicles them are gonna be going at it, lift up and God.
Yeah.
The Jetsons vehicle, you know, vehicle upon Reka and everything. Yes, guys, so I'm saying stay tuned. You know it goes already. There's more to come, you know. First day, well, just land. So you know it goes already. Relax, you know. The weather, my type of weather still, you know. I'm telling you, the weather, my type of weather. Cool. Cool. I step out of me and say, yes, good old UK days, you know.
Yeah, for real.
Good old UK days, man. So, guys, so look at this. We're calling the Holy Hat. Tam, you know, you name it, right? So you see at the front, our love. So check this out. Look at the back. Bang! Kino live in Jamaica. And this well stitch, you know, far this I come from? Kino live in Jamaica. Radar. Tell you, quality. So you see you have winter gear, summer gears, and this is the jacket as well too. I love quality, guys, man. Tell you, say can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. I did on Instagram as
Radar Apparel. Facebook Radar Apparel.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, you can see the name and run across the screen. Radar Apparel, you know.
Radar Apparel.
So you see, we say I love. You know, why you choose the R love? Especially the love. You know, for make your brand with love. And put the word love.
Yeah, you know, man, because, be honest with you, still lucky, you know. Say, we get an heart attack in 2019, you know. I mean, prior to that, still, you know. First and foremost, if anybody know Church on the Rock, in Jamaica, in Kingston,
I used to go there as well.
I was baptized in that church when I was 16 years old by David Keane.
Oh.
That was my church.
David Keane.
I used to do Teen Fridays.
Rock teams.
Rock teams.
I used to go there on Friday as well.
Yeah, you know, I used to be one of the members of Rock Teams. I was baptized in that church.
Okay.
At age 16 by David Keane.
Yeah,
this is even before they built the amphitheater.
Okay.
And you see, all my life growing up, I'm always in tune with God. I'm always in tune with greatness, goodness, and love and equality and, you know, rights and justice. So when I start the brand, and you know, the name is Radar, and Michael Jordan, who is a basketball player, gave me that name. Yeah, because I worked for him for years and years, and he and I go way back playing golf together and doing crazy stuff on the golf course. But he gave me the name, and I just decided to put love on it because I want to spread, love, you know, enhance the love and bring it in a different fashion, a different way through the clothing industry. Yeah. So this is just a tip of the iceberg. Yes. You know, it's just got started, and it's out there. I'm telling you, it's out there. I mean, like thousands and thousands of pieces already sold and being given away out there. And you know, I get called from you name the country, Europe, you know, Caribbean country. People been traveling. People see people to the airport. Oh, I know that guy. Arlo. You know, so it is what it is, man.
So that's where the love come from, you know. So that's all you
intention
promote.
Is spreading the love.
Yes, there are love. I mean, you see the Kino life in Jamaica, you know. Jaja, well, I appreciate it, you know. It's a surprise. Trust me. A surprise. Never expect I come to Kino life in Jamaica upon a Holy Hat. You know, or Tom, anything you call it, you know. So
Beanie, them call it
Beanie hat. You know, not Bounty. This is the beanie hat, not the Bounty.
Don't worry, Bounty, we still not left you.
Yeah, we get a Bounty hat next. It's the beanie. Yeah, man. Great quality, man. Great talent, you know, great vision you have as well, too, you know. Put it out there in the world. It only can get bigger and better, you know. Because we have to, yeah.
Like I said, we have love, just like you said, Kino. You know, like when we see you cook, we see we have, you know, Carla in the kitchen cooking and Oliver, I can see the love.
Yeah.
You know, they don't have to tell me that. I can see the love in the kitchen, brother. And trust me, it's just the same way in the clothing brand.
Same way.
You know?
That's why the quality is so good. You know? It's not about no quick cash thing.
No.
People don't wait one time until they say, yo, you see it done already. No. Genuine, you know, genuine. So this is what it look like now. Winter. Send some of the winter come right now at Jamaica.
full of boxes of snow and just ship it down.
Yeah.
Throw it on the road and the kids have them play snowball fight.
Just get some lot of igloos and the ice cooler them and just, you know, and cool them. By the time it reach, still in farm, same way.
Good speed.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. So I'm here now in the Bronx. Here in the Bronx. Cool. You know, so out the sun, into the weather. But look what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna our love wife. You know, I'm gonna go and say she recognize me. I'm gonna go in there and say, oh, can I get an hairstyle done or something, because she's an hairstylist. So how much you do that here? Oh, you get the snow. She recognized me.
Of course. Hi everyone.
Yes, guys, this is.
You see, snow.
We used to it.
Oh, but guess what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was in England.
Yeah,
Right,
exactly.
So,
Guys, this is radar. This is radar.
Oh, wait, man, I have to look cute.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Nikki, this is Radar wife, Radar love, Radar partner.
I love you guys.
Yes, I'll put in some work.
Yeah. She don't mind being on the camera.
Hello.
Getting her ear done.
Getting her ear done. Hello, we see our face, so before and after.
You have a YouTube channel, that's Kino Life in Jamaica. Okay. Yeah.
So you can check out Kino Life in Jamaica. Shanika?
Yeah.
So
check it out on your
go on your phone, let me show you. Kino Life in Jamaica.
Really good work.
Hello.
You may make me just type it.
So shall we see the before and after now?
Long time. Me and her man, long time.
Long time.
From the house. I've been doing her hair from my house.
See the channel there. So I make me have a video opinion now. So that's it right there.
Yeah, and you when you have something too going on, right? You can tell me.
Subscribe already.
Stylish. Oh, you subscribed it?
Yeah.
Okay. I was wondering.
Yeah.
I was trying to first.
Alright.
Okay.
So we are running up on the road really and come back.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah?
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Surprise me. Yeah, alright. I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Alright, darling.
Alright guys, so right away, I'm gonna head hold up like this. Yeah. Yeah, she recognized me straight away, we couldn't hide. Right away. She said, Kino! Yeah, so that couldn't work guys, you know that never worked out. She recognized me straight away, so that's radar wife, you know. Right away. So that's you know that always watching the program.
Yo, your face is around the world, man.
Yeah.
There's hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people you reach out to, you know, brother. So you understand?
Guys, look at the time, 4:30. You know, so this is what it's like. We're in Jamaica, the Caribbean here, so I go on when it's 4:30. It's night time over here. Winter. You know, winter dropping. So you see that? Guys, so this is the radar winter jacket, the winter coat. You see it? What do you call this one, radar? Puff jacket. So you see there? Well looking nice, the radar puff jacket guys, if you're ever interested. So I'm gonna get a food here. Triple deuce.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.